God damn it, I can't believe I got grounded for banging my mom's head against the wall 3 times last year. What am I going to do now? I got it. I'm going to smash the refrigerator with a baseball bat. Hi 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 hi. Alright, let's go to the kitchen. Alright, now I'm in the kitchen. It's time to smash the refrigerator with a baseball bat. Yes, I smashed the refrigerator with a baseball bat. Yes, I smashed the refrigerator with a baseball bat. Yes, I smashed the refrigerator with a baseball bat.
Tamika. What the hell was that noise? And what happened to our refrigerator?
Well, you guys are going to be so pissed when I tell you, but I smashed the refrigerator with a baseball bat.
Tamika Denise Pearson. What the fuck is wrong with you? We can't believe you smashed our refrigerator with a baseball bat. Now our refrigerator is busted and we need a new refrigerator thanks to you.
That's it, young lady, you are grounded until we get a new refrigerator.
Now give us your baseball bat and go to your room right now. And don't come out until tomorrow morning.
What?